afternoon everyone. Sorry, morning everyone. Oh dear. It's been one of them weekends. Don't even start me on it. Right, we're coming on. We're going to do this pop-up card. And this is using the Beautiful Blizzard stamp set. All I'm going to be using is a couple of the sentiments out of that. The Blizzard Thinlits, as you can see, it's one sheet of metal, but it cuts everything out, so saves us time messing about. And I've also cut some frames out of these stitch label framelets. You can get rid of them. And right, we'll start with the inside of the card, because this is going to be your pop-up mechanism. So what I've done is get my ruler ready. I have come in, I'll tell you how big the card is first. Would be an idea, wouldn't it? 5 3/4 in length. This is for your insert, and it is 4 7/8 in width. Okay, so then what I done is, the sun is coming and going, so you'll have to excuse the lighting situation. What I done was, I come in, you might as well say 7/8 of an inch, okay, and I marked up at 1.5 inches, and you can just make out my little pen mark there, okay. And I've done the same on the other side, come up 1.5, made a mark, and then cut it with my scissors. Okay, now you don't, let me show you. There, you can see all my pen lines now. Okay, do not cut the top bit, just cut up the sides, and I'll give you the measurements for them now. So the first one we measured at 1.5 inches, and we put our little marks and we cut up either side, right? Then we give it a gap of, got that much stuff on my table, we give it a gap of 7/8 of an inch. Then we come up and we marked at 2.5 inches. Okay, moved it over at 1/2 inch, and we marked at 2.5 inches again. Okay, then we drew our lines either side and we cut up them. Do not cut the top. Then we give it 7/8 of an inch gap. Okay, and then our bottom one, we come up exactly 2 inches, made a little dot, come up exactly 2 inches, made a little dot, and we cut up them. Okay, I have not cut the top bit. Okay, so then you're going to open that out after you've cut up each side. You're going to poke it through, okay, and you're going to score and burnish it. Okay, give it a good squish, because we want that to stay inside. You're going to do the same with the other two, till you have something that looks like that. Okay, and you can see the 3 different lengths. Okay, that is what you want. Now your card base that we're using to cover this is 5 3/4 of an inch by 5 inches. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to put that in there and just give it that little border all the way round. Okay, so we'll put our tape on, and look what I've got. I've finally got my refills. It's been a nightmare. So we're going to put our glue down. If you have any overhang, just thing it back up. Right, now get it all lined up. It'd help if I had it straight, wouldn't it? Don't worry about your pencil marks, about rubbing them out and this, that and the other. Nobody will see them. Unless they take your card apart, and that's not very nice, is it? Okay, so now you're just going to lay that over the top. Okay, and then open it up and do exactly the same on the other side. I do have the big pink one, tape runner thing, I don't know what you want to call it, but I can't stand it. So I'm happy with my little one, and again we're just going to fold that over and give it a good squash down. Now, while you were all eating your breakfast and what have you, I was sat here like Billy O, and I took a piece of our Whisper White card. Don't know whether the light's catching that yet. And I have some of our heat and stick powder. So I Versamarked all my card. This is your best way of getting glitter card when it doesn't go everywhere. Versamarked all my card, used the heat and stick embossing powder, okay. Got my tub of me glitter that everybody loves. Heated the heat emboss up till it melted, and then dunked my card in my glitter. Okay, and I let it dry, and now it doesn't come off. So there's Mel's cheat. Okay, so I'm going to stick that down on the top, just leaving that 1/8 of an inch border all the way round. Okay. So yeah, that's what Mel done while you were all eating your breakfast. Trying to make you feel guilty, but it's not working, is it? Ah, sugar. That's what I get for trying to make you feel guilty. Okay. So Mel now needs to get this lined up straight. That's why she normally uses glue. That'll do. That's good enough. Okay, now you can either use this as a stencil. This is where I cut all my snowflakes out. Okay, but I'm going to use it as a layer, and I'm going to come more towards the top. Okay, so I do need wet glue for this. See if this will work for me. I think I need to order some more, seeing as it's been being nice to me. And I'm just going to dot it on where there's enough of an edge for me to get it on. I love the snow, absolutely love the snow. But of course I don't drive anymore, so I can love the snow because I don't have to drive in it. It looks pretty, and then when the bunnies are playing in it, it's so cute. And believe me, they do play in it. Well, my wild bunnies do anyway. So we're just giving that a little edge at the top. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take my basic rhinestones, my pokey tool, and we're going to put the centres in these snowflakes. Not in all of them, just in the big ones. Let me just see, because I don't want to have to put them on if... See, I don't know whether to use that frame or to... I might have to use that frame because I haven't brought me punch. Okay, now we're going to turn our attention to the insert, and as you can see here I have got a load of snowflakes all die cut out. Okay, some of them are glittered, some of them are just our Whisper White cardstock. So what we're going to do is we want to leave this one here, the centre one, because that's going to house our sentiment, okay? Or it might not do, depending on. These ones, however, we can embellish with our snowflakes, and you can do them as tall as you want so long as they don't come over the top, and as wide as you want so long as they don't come over the edge of your card. So that's why Mel has gone overboard and cut out loads. So stay there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to offset a few and stick them to each other, okay? And I need my Tombow. Okay, so just offset them on each other, and it's Tombow glue so it'll stick to everything. Come on. I'm going to do that one day, you know, and it's just going to come out in a big splat. So we're going to stick them. No, Tombow's not sticking on the glue, on the glitter. That shocked me, because normally that stuff sticks to everything. Just hold it for a little minute. It's stuck now. Okay, so we'll put a bit on the back of this. And we'll start layering our snowflakes up. Okay, take another one. It's a good job it's not super glue, isn't it? Would you believe it's stuck on my finger? It's not stuck together, but it's stuck on my finger, alright. Oh, come on. Right, just for that, you're going to get glue on the back here and you're both getting stuck on there, messing me about. Oh, would you believe this? Right. I'm going to do a video one day, you know, Mel's bloopers. Be like every video I do. Where's the glue? Just give that a minute so it grabs that. Ha! Okay, I'm leaving that for the minute. And we're going to carry on sticking. Ah! Ah! So I need a small glitter one. Don't stick to me. Okay. We're just going to carry on. Just ignore it. It'll stick. I'm just sticking another two together there. Okay, now we're going to come down the front. Okay, and we want this front for our sentiment, I think, at the minute. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, I might just put my sentiment there actually. So keep checking as you're putting your things on, you know, keep checking that you're alright for folding your card up. And I'm covered in glue. I have to use some of these small ones. As I say, you can come out as long as you want, so long as when it folds it doesn't come over. So I'm just doubling some up here. You will stay on there. Okay, and I'm just going to dot some around. Do you know, I've got that much glue on me, everything seems to want to stick to me. Right, that's it, no more. Okay, so out of the Beautiful Blizzard stamp set, if snowflakes were to hug, I'd send you a blizzard. Snowflakes are unique in their own beautiful way, and you are extraordinary. So on the outside I'm going to use Season's Greetings, can't even speak. Okay, so I've got that one out, and in fact I might even change it up and use that one on the front. If snowflakes were to hug, I'd send you a blizzard. Yeah, I think I'll use that one for the front. And I'm using the Balmy Blue ink. I'm just mounting my pad on me. We stamp on the ink block. So Balmy Blue. Hang on a minute. I might just get away with it. Go for it. There we go. Snowflakes were to hug, I'd send you a blizzard. So I want that on there, but I'm thinking of putting some ribbon, or do I need to? Not really. Dimensionals. Oh, jeez. Wrecked place. No, I'm not going to put any ribbon. But what I will do is put a couple of our glittery doodads. So then for the centre of our card, if I can get it bounced, take that one off, put it there. I'll put it there. Oh dear. Too early in the morning, not enough coffee. Snowflakes are unique in their own. In their own beautiful way. I'm just making sure I've got it the right way up. Okay, I can move that out the way, because I know they need cleaning. Fold this up before I stick my finger in it. Probably when they have dried, I will go back in and add some of our diamantes, but it all closes perfectly flat for posting. Okay, and then when the recipient receives it, they will open it and there will be a blizzard of snowflakes. So I hope you give that a go. I absolutely love that set, and anything blue, you know me. And there we go, there is our blizzard of snowflakes. And it's a pop-up. So there's the top, and there's the front, well, the inside of the card, and there is the front. Okay, ladies and gents, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I shall speak to you all soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.